Fingernails, which means mbọ aka, mbọ aka. And the short phrase and sentence that follow it is, cut your fingernails, which means bee mbọ aka gị, bee mbọ aka gị. No, that's how we say welcome in Igbo language. In today's lesson, we present to you names of the body parts in Igbo language. It starts from the hair on the head to toenail, right there, everything covered. And it comes with three basic advantages. One is the name of the body parts. Two is simple phrases with them. Three is color code and enable you to understand the meaning of each word that comes in the phrases. At the end of this video, you are sure of getting better in your Igbo language learning. Let's move on together. I am the Igbo Tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Hair, which is ntutu isi. Ntutu isi, hair, and the phrase, please weave my hair. Biko kpaa ntutu isi m. Biko kpaa ntutu isi m. Head, isi. Head, isi. And the phrase that follows, I have headache. Enwere m isi ọwụwa. Enwere m isi ọwụwa. I have headache. Eyes, which means anya. Anya, and the phrase, open your eyes, which means meghee anya gị. Meghee anya gị. Open your eyes. Nose, imi. Imi, listen to the sound. Imi, and the phrase, clean your nose. Hichaa imi gị. Hichaa imi gị. Clean your nose. Mouth, ọnụ. Ọnụ, and the phrase, close your mouth, which means mechie ọnụ gị. Mechie ọnụ gị. Close your mouth. Ear, which means ntị. Listen to the sound, ntị, and the phrase, cover your ear, which means kpuchie ntị gị. Kpuchie ntị gị. Cover your ear. Tongue, which means ire. Ire, listen to the sound and the phrase, taste it with your tongue. Detụ ya ire gị. Detụ ya ire gị. Taste it with your tongue. Teeth, eze. Please pay attention to the sound because other words also have the same spelling. Eze, brush your teeth. Sachaa eze gị. Sachaa eze gị. Brush your teeth. Neck, olu. Olu, touch my neck, which means metụ olu m aka. Metụ olu m aka. Touch my neck. Shoulder, ubu. Pay attention to the sound. Ubu. And the phrase, place it on my shoulder, which means dọkwasị ya n'ubu m. Dọkwasị ya n'ubu m. Place it on my shoulder. Hand, which means aka. Aka, and the phrase, hold my hand, which means jide akam. Jide akam, hold my hand. Jide akam. Elbow, still part of the hand. Ikpere aka. Ikpere aka. And the phrase, show me your elbow. Gosim ikpere aka gị. Gosim ikpere aka gị. Show me your elbow. Fingers, still part of the hand. Mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. And the phrase, point your finger, which means rụọ mkpịsị aka gị. Rụọ mkpịsị aka gị. Point your finger. Fingernails, still part of the hand. Mbo aka, that's why we're having aka in all of them. Aka meaning hand. Mbo aka. In the short sentence, cut your fingernails, which means bee mbo aka gị. Bee mbo aka gị. It's good to know you are learning with us, and I can assure you that we'll have better and bigger package waiting for you. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Thank you for learning Igbo language. Thank you for supporting us. God bless you. Now let's move on. Chest, which means akpu obi. Akpu obi. And the phrase, hit my chest, which means tie aka na akpu obi m. Tie aka na akpu obi m. Hit my chest. Breast. Breast, meaning ara. We have double A. If you use one A, it will sound ara, and it may mean something else. So ara is the better. And phrase, suck the breast. Mia ara ahụ. Mia ara ahụ. Suck the breast. Belly. Afọ. Belly. Afọ. The phrase, my belly is small. My belly is small. Afọm dị obele. Afọm dị obele. My belly is small. Navel. Navel. Otubo. Please pay attention to the sound. Otubo. And the phrase, see my navel. Lee otubom. Lee otubom. See my navel. Lee otubom. Back. Azụ. Azụ. And the phrase, scratch my back. Kọọ azụm ọkọ. Kọọ azụm ọkọ. Scratch my back. Kọọ azụm ọkọ. Buttocks. Ike. Please pay attention to the sound. If you don't pronounce it this way, it will mean something else. Ike. And the phrase, grab my buttocks, which means jide ike m aka. Jide ike m aka. Grab my buttocks. Penis. Amu. And some call it utu. Amu. And the phrase, your penis is small, meaning amu gị dị obele. Amu gị dị obele. Your penis is small. Testicle. Testicle. Mkpụrụ amụ. Mkpụrụ amụ. His testicle is big. Mkpụrụ amụ ya dị nnukwu. Mkpụrụ amụ ya dị nnukwu. His testicle is big. Vagina. Vagina. We call it Igbo. Some call it auto, meaning the same thing. And the phrase, clean your vagina, which means hichaa ikpu gị. Hichaa ikpu gị. Clean your vagina. Leg, meaning ụkwụ, and the phrase kick it with leg, meaning gbaa ya ụkwụ. Please pay attention to the sound. Gbaa ya ụkwụ. Kick it with leg. Tie, apata ụkwụ, still part of the leg. Apata ụkwụ. And the phrase, my thigh is swollen, meaning apata ụkwụ m zara aza. My thigh is swollen. Apata ụkwụ m zara aza. Knee, meaning ikpere. Listen to the sound. Ikpere. And the phrase, bend your knee, meaning gbagọọ ikpere gị. Gbagọọ ikpere gị. Pay attention to the sound. Gbagọọ ikpere gị. Foot, obu ụkwụ. Remember, ụkwụ means leg. This part of the leg. Obu ụkwụ. And the phrase, place your foot on it. Dokwasị obu ụkwụ gị n'elu ya. A little bit long, but pay attention. Dokwasị obu ụkwụ gị n'elu ya. Toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ, stay part of the leg, which is ụkwụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. And the phrase, my toes are short. Mkpịsị ụkwụ m dị mkpụmkpụ. Mkpịsị ụkwụ m dị mkpụmkpụ. My toes are short. Toenail, finally, mbọ ụkwụ, stay part of the leg. Mbọ ụkwụ. And the phrase, your toenails are fine. Mbọ ụkwụ gị dị mma. Or mara mma. Mbọ ụkwụ gị dị mma. Mbọ ụkwụ gị dị mma. With that, we come to the end of our lesson today. But recommended for you are very important videos which are displayed on the screen. Click on any of them and watch till the end, and they will thank us for doing that. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video. God bless you.